wanna hear today. Well, let's just go with the anti-copyright one, basically. Okay. We should be good to go. I don't know if the volume is fine. I think it might be a little bit too high. Yep. But you know what I can do? Would that be fine? I think that's fine. Maybe even lower. Or it might be too low. I don't know. I wish I could find like just like a standard setup with my audio, but every time I do something different, I have to change things, which is annoying. Anyways, I need to check out the fab real quick just to see if I can find some models. Yo, Penny, hello! How is it going? Now that you're there, Penny, can you do me a favor? Can you tell me if the music is fine? Yeah, to be honest, the time zone difference doesn't help. I'm glad to see you though. How is it going? I think this Elf Warden is really close to the kind of style that I wanna have in my game. You know, it's like fairly stylized, but like it has simple colors. Better today in the music school? Oh, good to hear, good to hear. Wait, can I download the straight up FPXs? Because here it says that it includes the blend file. Oh no. I usually like to joke around that VTubers and technical issues go hand in hand, but I hope you managed to solve them. There is a unity.zip. I'm gonna download the zip and see. Oh wait, I already have it downloaded? Would you look at that? Ah no, it's Unity package. Okay, so yeah, that doesn't work. Okay, then this is a lie though. It says, as it includes all of this, and it's a lie. It doesn't include all of that. You press download and you only see... You're not a technical girly. I mean, you say you're not a technical girly, but then you wanna like basically just Unity like it's your own game engine. Like, make a choice, please, Penny. You can't be doing those two things. You cannot be saying like... computer stuff. Okay, well. We have to download this elf. Hardware and specs. I mean, yeah, to be honest, that's a different kind of skill that takes a while to learn. Definitely took a while for me. And you said you have a laptop, right? Or do you have like a normal PC? I'm working on it. To be honest, it's not that hard. A laptop, oh god. To be honest, like a laptop is fine to use, but like to stream and do B-tubing as well on a laptop while programming is like, bro, this CPU can only handle so much, you know? Saving up for a PC? Understandable. Ah man, I remember when I bought my... the PC that I have, I've had it for like 7 years now. Like I bought it with my first 2 paychecks, and in 7 years the only upgrade that I ever done was the processor. Or the rest is pretty much the same. Okay, so we have this. I mean, they last a long time if you take care of them. Like every few months I do like full maintenance on it. For example, this weekend I went and cleaned all the interior of my PC, and then I even went and like clean up my keyboard and everything. Like, you know, because I have this keyboard where like, oh, ads, I can wait for ads. We can wait for that so we can actually... Oh, I didn't log in here. I always forget about this thing. Oh wait, it has no... No, it doesn't have any animations. Oh, Neo Sombra, hola! ¿Cómo estás? Oh, well, hello. I usually speak English around these parts. So how are you doing? Okay, these are materials. All good? Great to hear, great to hear. I need to check this guy. Because the webpage made it look like he had animations, but I think he doesn't have any. Okay, no, he does have like an attack animation. No, he does have animations. Where are they? Oh, maybe in the animations folder, Lior. Maybe if you just check the animation folder, maybe, just maybe, you will see what you're looking for. I swear to God, this folder didn't exist before. Yo, Penny. Yeah, I was saying before that this weekend, like, I cleaned up everything. I cleaned up even my keyboard because this one has, like, removable keys. But yeah, you know, like a personal computer can last you a long time if you do maintenance like that. Mine has lasted for very long. I have a... I don't even know how to say this. It's like a GTX 1070 Ti. Which is a pretty old graphics card. But even though it's a pretty old graphics card, I'm able to do pretty much anything with it. It's been going great. I don't know how that shit's still running. I'm gonna be honest. I have abused of that graphics card for quite a while. The animation montages, I don't think they can be exported, can they? Yeah, they are on the 50 series. But it's like, it's such a big issue for me because like my motherboard and my processor are still like on the AM4 generation. And right now the current generation for processors is AM5. So like I cannot upgrade my GPU without having to go through a CPU and a motherboard upgrade. So basically I just have to buy a whole new PC. I cannot just upgrade. So what I did instead is like I bought like the best CPU available for the AM4 generation. And after I did that upgrade, it's been going great. Holy shit. Like this CPU right here. What's it called? The Ryzen 7 5800X3D. Amazing. One of the best buys that I've ever done. This was the only upgrade I ever did like in 7 years to this PC. And it was so significant. Like after I bought this, like holy shit. Your graphs are so low. Yeah, you know, because like my GPU actually breathes. Do you see this 60 degrees Celsius? You know, my CPU actually, you know, is leaving. It's actually breathing. And then, well, I have a shit ton of RAM. I wish I had a bit more though, not gonna lie. Having 64 seems tempting. But I don't need it. I have no... way more run. Yeah. Especially if you're editing videos, right? Because you mentioned that you were editing YouTube videos and stuff, right? That's 32. 32 is like very, very minimum amount for editing. Because I remember when like I was using DaVinci Resolve and I would just like drag and drop a bod to DaVinci Resolve and everything would just crash. Because DaVinci Resolve wouldn't have it, like there wasn't enough RAM literally to like handle like such a file. Why did I open DaVinci Resolve? Okay, wait, so the single animation sequences I can export, but this one? I can as well. And I love Final Fantasy music, it's so good. Every time. Okay, before putting it on the Godot project, I wanna see if... I wanna see how these things get exported. No, yeah, this is not a thing. No, that's a non-real thing. That's okay, so exporting that is useless. The animation montages cannot be exported. I have to export these. Where was my project? Where did I put my project on? I forgot already. Holy shit. No, wait. No, they cancel all. I messed up the folder. Okay, now it's correct. Now we like this. Okay, do we want to export the preview mesh? No. We say no to that. because we're gonna export the mesh separately. 2020, export all. Okay. Here we should have imported a bunch of FBX files. Yes, that have like no... You see nothing. It's just an empty skeleton. And that checks out. Now, we need to export this one now. Pam 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 pam. Base mesh. Okay. Export preview mesh. Yes, you're exporting the actual mesh. Okay, so here now we have the mesh. The mesh has no materials whatsoever. But we need to start doing some things. We need to, first of all, you are gonna have to, we need a bone map. We need a bone map. It's gonna be a humanoid. And the question is, do I have to save this separately? I don't know if this is enough. To be honest, it's weird that it has also the sword animated here. Like, why the fuck do you have this bone here? Like, the sword is a separate mesh. So why do they have like an extra bone here? That's so weird. Well, anyways. Let's go to our enemy. And let's start changing some things. So we're gonna drag and drop this here. And you're gonna have to be rotated by 180 degrees. The scale seems to be fine. What I need to check now is the animations. This little guy does have an animation player. Now, I think the best thing to go for is here. You just go editable children, right? Yeah. Oh. Okay. How are we gonna do this? So you have no animations, right? So I need to import animations here. But before importing the animations, I need to go... Let's do like the walking animation first. We have run, walk, there you go, walk. We need to add the bone map. It's to be humanoid. And after I do import there, how does this work? Like, how do I extract the animation from this? Because here we have the animation. It's this one, this little file here. That we can save, okay. But then this Unreal Tech, we cannot change the name. Which is annoying. Then we have to save it physically. It does not belong to the edited scene. Make it a unique first. I think that means that they just want me to... Yeah, I saved this as a scene, and then can I do the thing now? I can. Okay. And I can rename this as well. Oh man, this whole process is so annoying, but we don't have a choice. We don't have a choice. So I think I'm gonna... Okay, let's do a convention. You're gonna be Elf Warden. That's how he's called, right? Elf Arden. Elf Arden, not Warden. Okay, after doing that, we can go here and we can save this physically in a place. And what we can make here is animation library. Wait, what are they named? How does Godot name these things? Animation libraries. Okay. We can make a folder. We call this library folder. Oh god, but well, if I call this Elf Arden Walk. How would it work here? Can I go like manage animations? Load library. I have it here, okay. Oh man, that process is so fucking complicated. Just to take things from Unreal to Godot, but it's possible, and that's what matters. Oh, I don't have it set up as loop. Why don't I have that set up as loop? How do I change that? Oh wait, but I can save this singular animation as well. Okay. Does that mean I can like here create a new library called it Elf Arden and then import this singular animation? I can. Okay. Oh, I like that a lot more. Yeah. That way I only need to save one thing. It's way more clean. Yeah, that's way more clean. Let's see, does it work? Yes, it does work. Perfect. You set a looping here, right? Oh, there you go. Okay. We can walk now. Now we can delete this thing then. Let's see, let's make a run. New inherited scene. Wait, how come I cannot rename this one? Oh, okay, I have to save first and then I can rename. Okay. Okay, it's not so bad to be honest. Then you have the walk with weapons and the one without weapons. I don't know if I'll have a mechanic where like you get rid of their weapons, but you know, having the animations ready is never a bad thing. Oh, one thing that I forgot to do though. I forgot to set the retarget. Up, up, ba, bum. It's very important to set retargets, otherwise it's not gonna work. Every time that I hear this song, I just get reminded of what a great experience the Persona games were. Truly. You know, really often, maybe it's because I'm getting old, but really often I think like, man, I wish like I could just like delete my memory and just experience this one thing again, you know? Oh, you have to first save and then... Oh god, yeah. That's annoying. I wonder if having like a bunch of unused scenes, if they have like any repercussions in terms of like the final build, in terms of like, you know, it takes longer or the package is gonna be bigger, because it's technically a lot of unused stuff. Now that I think about it, I keep calling them IS because it was how they were calling Unreal. But that's their naming convention for like animation sequence, which has nothing to do here in Godot, but... Pararam, pararam. Okay. We have 4 animations now. Let's see, do they all work? Oh my god, look at that beauty. They need to all be looping though. This warning can be disabled in project settings. I wanna disable it because 900 warnings... It's a bit too much, dude. Ba-ba-da-ba. Let's see. Will you give me this error ever again? Nope. Oh, but this animation seems to be broken though. The run is broken. Why? Did I not set up the retarget properly? No, the retarget is there. Oh yeah, but the animation is broken. That's weird. Okay, so this one's working. This one's working. The walk was working as well. Yeah. So it's only the run that's broken. I must have made a mistake. Did I? Let's restart from scratch, maybe. On this one. Ta-da. Let's see. The inherited scene. Okay, before the new inherited scene, let's fix the retarget issue. Give it a bone map. That bone map needs to be humanoid. We import. Now we make a new scene. We check the animation. We save the scene. Okay, the animation is working here. That's good. Now here we change the name of the library. We save and then we can change the name of the animation. Animation still working. And we can save this. Yeah, I think it had an issue where I imported it before without the retargeting, and after doing like the re-import with the proper retargeting, it just didn't do it. It kept like the old bad version. Okay, so this is working now, perfect. You know what, let's give this guy a little color. I don't like that he's all... Oh my god, what is this? Why does he have like 700 textures? Oh god. What is his material? How does his material look like? Oh god, he's got 4 materials. Kill me now. Well, technically he only has 3. This Elf Arden axe doesn't really count because the axe is a separate one. I think. Okay, so we're gonna have to create a new folder. Materials. Let us make these 3 materials. Okay, but why do you do this? Oh, I hate you. I hate these things about Godot sometimes, man. Like... Okay. Let's copy from Unreal. That's the easiest way to approach this. So we need M, Elf Arden, body. Oh no, that's a folder, not... No! Okay, so M, Elf, Arden, body. I think they are just simple PBR materials. I hope they are. Or like if there's some fancy materials with like some code to write, I'm gonna cry. Let us check just in case. Okay, well, like it's a yes and no. It's a yes and no. It has this surface color, which I don't think Godot has. Is that even a thing? There is subsurface scattering, but it doesn't take a vector 4. It's like just a value. Huh. Ah. Can you deal with this like on the normal material? Like if you say yes to this, we can give it a texture. Transmittance. Oh, and here we can choose a color. I think this is what they did here. Basically same shit. I can probably take this value and copy it there and see what's up. Okay, well, let us test that. We're gonna need ambient occlusion, we're gonna need a normal map. These ones are the classics. And then here. You take body. Take the eye. And you need to take the cloth. Okay, now we need to export the textures from Unreal. Oh, Scummoner! Hello! Did you see the Blitzcrank trailer? I did not. Why? He's getting rework? Oh no, you mean 2XKO? Probably.
Hostiles approaching. Reciprocating hostility. Helping.
Oh wait. Oh wait, that's so... Oh, he's so fucking aggressive.
Trash detected.
Oh, he can grab from the air as well.
Failure.
Oh, I just know I'm gonna hate going against this. He has a shield?
Attacking. Greetings, Echo. Shall we damage some enemy units?
Wait, but he's actually so cool.
Mustache Man, you are encumbered by tiny pests.
Wait, holy shit, he's actually... Oh, that's... I love that move where he becomes our fucking rolling ball.
Error. Extend. Rotate.
Okay, wait, no, wait. That's not balance, bro. What do you mean? What? What do you mean he can do that?
Is that proper trash talk?
Wait, no, this character is broken. Wait, what do you...
Engage.
Bro, he can't move.
Unit dismantled. You should change your settings to win.
Okay, but you know, I was really skeptical for characters like Blitzcrank, like they wouldn't be able to make like anything interesting with him. I was wrong. I was fucking wrong. He looks amazing. He looks busted as fuck though. Like he's definitely like getting nerfed. There is no way like that version ever gets released. Also, I love the design. He's like, look at him. He's so cool.
Reciprocating hostility.
Look at this. It was so cool. Oh, I didn't play in season 2, season 3, Scumler. I started in season 4. But like, damn, this is actually like, I love his design here. Look how crispy it looks. I love the non-symmetry that he has, even though he's a robot.
Hostiles approaching. Reciprocating hostility.
It's so cool. Like I'm really glad that they kept the grab.
Detected.
But then they added a bunch of things that he doesn't have. Like for example, this down move. This down move here, like the drill. That's like a new concept. Like he doesn't have anything like that in League. Like the two new moves that he has here compared to like League of Legends, right? It's like the drill, and I could notice as well is the rolling ball. We already spoke about that.
Rotate.
Yeah, the wrecking ball. The wrecking ball is so fun, bro.
Rotate.
Yeah. To be honest, like I'm really surprised his combo game looks like that complex, because he's supposed to be like a grappler, right? Like at least he enters that how do you call it? Stereotype? It's not stereotype. It's that I forgot the term. Archetype. Yeah, there you go. He's like he was supposed to be the grappler archetype, but he doesn't look like a grappler at all. He's like a mix between like a really aggressive character and a grappler. Like he's not slow at all, right? Like look at that jump. Like look at that jump distance here, right? Yeah, but look at that jump though. You see how high that shit went? The guy has like no gravity whatsoever. If you play fucking Potemkin, like you're not jumping like that. You know, that's what I get. Like, and yeah, grapplers usually have combos, but they are way long, very shorter. Like this dude, look at the second where he hit Darius, right? Let's see. He hits Darius on 1/3. On 1/3 he got the first hit. Okay. And the combo ended 20 seconds later. 20 okay, yeah, 20 seconds later the combo on the Darius ended. This is one sequence. All of this is just one sequence. It's a 20-second combo. Do you know how long 20-second in fighting games is?
Into the faces. Is that proper trash talk?
Look, it's insanity.
Engage. Hazardous unit contained. Unit dismantled. You should change your settings to win.
Potentially combos I've seen some last like 10 to 15 seconds. I mean, yes, some of them can, but like the issue is like I don't understand like the bars on to XKO. I don't know how much shit he used. Because he definitely used one assist, and then he also used like this red ability. Which I don't understand what no, that was in the previous clip. Does he ever use anything other than the assist? Oh no, here he uses another move. I know that was the ult, okay. That's just the ult. Anyways, he's busted, okay? Like the character hasn't even come out and I know he's broken. Okay, but trash detected, yeah, that's a great line. Brom was busted in alpha. I mean, Brom has always that's fine. Brom has always been busted. Like the issue with Brom is like the concept of the character is busted. I don't think any game designer can like balance Brom. Because like the nature of the character is just broken. The existence of the shield. Plus he's like an aggressive character as well. You know. The concept of beating people up with a giant shield is just broken, okay? Like it's you cannot balance that shit. Anyway, I need to export some textures. Oh man, but when is the it's coming out soon, right? September 9. I already signed up for the beta ages ago, but I'm gonna sign up again. Never know. Because I hate that I'm never lucky with these closed betas. Like I'm never able to enter one in any game ever. So like I wanna play 2XKO, but like it just doesn't let me. Like they don't want me. They probably know I'm just dog shit at the game and I wouldn't contribute anything useful. We shall see. Which is not fair, but also because like I am like a we're both gonna get in trust. Gonna hold you accountable for saying those words, Commander. You're giving me hopes. Wait, what? What? What the fuck just happened? Um, it only imported 2 textures? Also, it also generated this folder that makes no. Oh, there you go. Oh, it just was taking its time. Okay. Oh, there you go. I need to delete this folder though. Okay. We have the textures. We just need to fix the material for the body. I guess this is the base color. He's so insanely bright. And this is the normal. You know, one of the things that I truly dislike about Godot is how slow it is at like dragging and dropping these textures, because they're 4K textures. They're pretty big, but hola madre. It still takes way too long to just drag and drop something. Also, this roughness, ambient occlusion and stuff can be optimized. Makes sense, they're big. Yeah, but it's weird. It's weird because like I think what it does is like when you click on something and you hold it, right? I think like it creates a copy of that thing that you're holding. And obviously it, you know, it's like out of nowhere it generates like a 4K texture worth of RAM, because it's like it's on the moment that you click it, and then that makes it lag until you drop it somewhere. But it shouldn't be like that, because like it should, like if I click on something and I hold it, it should just like hold a reference to that thing, and that reference should be like extremely light. But it doesn't seem that way. Also, I fucked up here. This is body skin. Body skin. I didn't fuck up. Never mind. I'm too good. Opacity. You have an opacity. I mean, it's just a fully black texture. You may as well just say it's not metallic. Why do this? That's dumb. Just put metallic to 0 and like that's it. Okay, well, that's one material done. Now we need to do the cloth. How is the cloth made on Unreal? Cloth. Oh, it's basically the same thing. It has this weird thing on the subsurface. Oh, the subsurface. I forgot about the subsurface texture. Yeah, it needs a texture here. What's the name of the texture that it needs though? Oh, one thing that I realized, it's too quiet. I cannot think with this. Nah. Nah. Okay, better. I can think now. Oh, thickness. That's what I need, the thickness texture. Where is the thickness texture at? Okay, this one. But it also needs like a strength, no? Apparently no. Apparently just takes the value of this, and just... No clue. But I have that. Okay, let's do the cloth now. Subsurface scattering with transmittance, with ambient occlusion, and a normal map. Baby, baby. Okay, the textures now. You know what? I'm also gonna like drag and drop these textures here. I don't like this folder structure I have going on. This Elf Arden folder is useless. So I gotta find cloth thickness. That's ambient occlusion. Come on, Godot, you got this. You got this. Okay, there you go. You did it. I wonder, like, if I had more RAM on my PC, if this would be better. You know, like, if I had 64 gigabytes. Actually, we can probably test it out, like. Let's see, I'm gonna put this on my second monitor. I'm gonna see how much the RAM increases. I actually don't see any difference in terms of performance. It's just Godot that freezes. Boom. Roughness, roughness, roughness. It's in normal. That's the roughness. Oh, look, he's all shiny now. The only thing is, like, damn, it doesn't seem to cut his nails. Those are like a very sharp thumb, man. I love this song so much. I don't think the eye is gonna have subsurface scattering. Okay, no, yeah, the eye is just a flat color with curvature. What? Very low roughness and very low opacity. He had like bluish eyes. And then the opacity, but opacity, is there such a thing as opacity? There is the opacity of the albedo, but yeah, but the opacity of the albedo just feels wrong. Was he actually like this on... No, yeah, he has a texture on the eyes. I'm confused here. Like, this can't be the material used for the eye. Can it? Oh, wait, no, because it's... Ah, got it. Okay, so yeah, it's like a... Okay, so this is like a material on top of the actual eye. Okay. To give it a little of a reflective look. Got it. I think it's looking fine now. I've been in a big Persona mood lately. Well, do you have any Persona content that you can play? Is there? Well, I think you haven't played the remake, right? Or did you? Of Persona 3. Like, I was so sure that they play them all. Or maybe there might be like a couple of spin-offs that you haven't played. Okay, but this guy is working now. We can get back to coding now. Isn't that exciting, guys? We finally finished setting up materials so we can code. That's the fun part of all of this. Let's see, let's add an animation 3. And link this to that. And the root is gonna be this on that. Oh no? I was wrong. What am I supposed to do here? Ah, yeah. I think I want to do a state machine. I mean, I do have a state machine for the character itself. So, using a state machine for the animations as well seems natural. Do you want to make a blend tree or just an animation? Let us just use an animation. We name this as walk. But do we want to run with the weapon or without the weapon? Let's just do with the weapon for now. Walk. What? Fine. Okay, so from the start, we're gonna go to walk. That's the basics. Or actually, we should probably add an idle. Yeah, we need an idle. So, oh, I haven't set up an idle animation, but I probably have one. I have dead, and I have idle. Okay. Let it drive in your soul. I think out of all the Guilty Gear songs, this might be my favorite. But then you have the... To be honest, it's funny, Scavenger, because like, when I heard it for the first time, right? I did not like it. But then like the more I kept hearing it, right? Like it just grew on me. Like it just slowly grew on me. Wait, do I have the Ava one here? Oh no, I don't. I know. I know Lucius and Strive. But I cannot afford to. Like I can't play Strive right now. Like I can't discover. It's forbidden. Wait, I wanna add it to the playlist, but a saved playlist. Because now I wanna hear this. Where is it? I just added it. I have to click here again. I have to restart everything. Like that's all I want, just to hear Symphony again. Oh man, but not gonna lie, I miss just smashing buttons with Ava. That shit was fun. Empathy, kindness. Okay, we do that. Then we need to go here. Rename this Elf Arden. And we say okay, we save, and then we go here. And this is IS idle weapon. And we save this. Father, son. Okay, now we can add the idle animation. But this is idle. Oh, well, I guess idle weapon. Okay, from the start we go to idle. And then from idle we can go to there or to there. And from here we can go to idle or to walk. And for walk we can go back to run, or we can go back to idle. Now, holy shit, he's doing like 7,000 transitions per second. We need to add conditions here. I guess we're gonna make a condition is moving. And then is idle. And then we're gonna make a condition is running. I guess we shouldn't make is moving. We should probably make is walking just to be. Is walking. Is idle. Is running. Is walking. Idle weapon. Dun. Doo-doo-doo. Live in this world. Different. Oh, that's how he waits? Damn. You know, I should probably like import his sword as well. Let us do that. Oh. I don't understand why this sword has a skeletal mesh. I'm not gonna lie. Why does it have a skeleton? We shall never know. Oh, this is my favorite part of this song. By far. Make a difference. Here to it is. Oh yeah, how do you do these things in Godot? Now that I think about it, because I don't have the family of bones as a Node 3D. So how would that work? Is there anything like a bone tracker? The bone attachment 3D. Okay. Okay, so here I need to find a bone. It's gonna be right hand, right? Right hand. Okay. What about if it's like right index proximal, right hand? I think right hand is the most sensical one. We do right hand attachment, and then under this right hand attachment we put the sword, and the sword obviously is going to be broken, but we can fix that. It's the scale of the sword proper though. Doesn't seem that way. Oh no, it is proper. Okay. Okay, you little sword. We're gonna have to do things. Is there a way that I can like disable the animation real quick? So he goes back to T-pose. Can you go back to T-pose? I need you on T-pose, man. No, it's just pause. Oh, no, no, no. Cancel that. Yeah, it's not stopping. Hmm. I guess with the conditions I can like go back to the things. Activate to enable Plague Knight. What if I close it and open it again? That usually does the tricks for various things, right? Nope. Okay, well that's annoying. Gotta be very honest, it's very annoying. Unless I do like from here to there. There you go. Ah, that's much better now. Now that you're in T-pose, we can do this more easily. How did you delete this? Like that, okay. Does that seem natural to you guys? It doesn't really seem natural at all, but... Can I change to local space? Local space? Okay. It needs to be a bit more... Stop being local space. Rotate X like that, more flat. Then rotate Z like this. Yeah, I think that's looking good. Yep. I think that's acceptable. Like a new standard material, which is gonna be M. Elf Arden. Not Arden. Arden Sword. Okay, now let's see. Alvido is gonna be this one. Wait, it has subsurface gathering for a sword? It's metallic though. Why would you do that? I guess like subsurface gathering can, like a sword can have it, but it's still kind of weird. Ambient occlusion. Okay, after doing that, the only remaining thing is... Where is the material? No, it's base mesh, sword. Oh, yeah, we need to skip the import of that. Axe? This is not an axe. Excuse me, but that's not how an axe looks. Why do I feel like it's wrong? That doesn't look right. Am I insane? I feel like the normal map is all messed up. Might be insane, but gotta check. No, yeah, this is how it looks in Unreal. How does it look below? No, yeah. Oh wait, no, it still has like a bit weird artifacts. Nothing insane though. So I did make a mistake. What was it? Roughness, metallic, ambient occlusion. Like, it seems an issue with the normal map. Could it be that it got badly exported? Hmm. The other normal maps seem to be working though. Yeah, it's definitely the normal map. Okay, well. You know, sometimes just retrying. No. Okay, yeah, okay. We need to get rid of this normal map. I'm gonna try re-exporting it. As texture to the yeah, no, there is nothing here for that. Let us try again. It's all messed up. Why? I don't understand. At least I don't understand why I'm having this issue with the sword only and not with the... You know what it could be? Also be the lighting. I've been having issues with the lighting. Or maybe let me do some research. Difference Godot versus Unreal normal maps. Because I know that sometimes Unreal can use normal maps that are a little of a different format. Remapping of the Y channel. Wait. There you go. Let's see. Oh, that did something, but I think it's worse now. Yeah, definitely. Let me see if it's just linked to the lighting. It doesn't seem to be linked to the lighting. What is going on? Like, it's not terrible by any means, okay? Like, the model overall looks fine, but like, it's a small detail no one's gonna fucking notice. But I'm noticing it, you know? like I notice it. Like, I see it. Yeah, here it's literally you can't see it. I mean, I can see it though. I see. Yeah, I see. Like, you know, like, I see it. Like I know it's there. I know. Ah. I don't know. I give up. I think spending time trying to figure that out is gonna be useless. Wait, did it just fix itself? Oh, no, if I zoom in, it's still there. But you see it though, you see it. Like, it's there. It's there. It's fine, it's fine. No one's gonna get close enough to this guy anyway. I can accept imperfections. It's okay. Everything is okay. Oh no, wait. Animation 3. Not Abuna Animation 3. Okay, so there were a couple of things that I needed to do. So I gotta create a method to be able to set these variables up. We're gonna be calling. We're gonna create a method called public. Not there. Public void set animation state. It's gonna take a string, a state, or well, anim state, and then it's gonna take a boolean value. Or to be honest, it could just be like an object value. Not necessarily needs to be. So here we're gonna call animation 3.set, and we're gonna call anim state, and then value. Can we not do that? So we need a go.variant. We call go.variant. I don't know what that is. Okay, well, that's a easy method that to add. Then what we need to do on the various states that we have, we have an idle state. Do we ever use it? I don't think we ever use it. What is this music? It's Omori. Is the boss fight with the ha 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 girl. Oh man. I remember that. Good. Okay, I think what I'm gonna do is like when I enter the patrolling state, I'm gonna do set animation state. It's gonna be is walking. I'm gonna set it to true. And when we are exiting the patrolling state, we set it to false. Let's see. That should be a fairly simple setup, so we at least have animations on this guy while he walks around. And obviously nothing works because it's just giving 700 errors. That's fair. That's fair. Why wouldn't this give 700 errors? Wait, how is the animation 3 now? Ah, because it's calling the state machine code before that. Okay, yeah, so if I just drag that up. In theory. Am I insane? No, wait. Did I... Also, it's giving me an error here. What? Position label. Debug level is null. Well, I mean, debug level is null. It's here. What? Debug label. Oh, the camera is null. Wait, how could the not camera be null though? What is null here? Either of these things can be null. Okay, just for sake of simplicity, I'm gonna set this to false. Let's focus on one problem at a time. Okay, we got 3 errors. Object not set to an instance of an object. So this animation 3. But it should be here. Like if I do copy node path, it's just animation 3. Yeah. How come you're not finding it? You know what I can do? I need to go to the bathroom real quick. Be right back, guys. I'm back. Oh, come on, camera. There you go. Yeah, I don't understand why this was not working. We can simply fix that by making this an export variable and then setting up by hand. Not a big deal. No, I should probably like... Yeah, I'm gonna move all of these things. Like reorganize this a little bit. So I have like numbers on top and then like all these node 3Ds and shit somewhere else. Okay, that's better. Welcome back. Thanks. What have you been up to, by the way, Scamander? Have you been playing anything interesting? Or are you just like still on your gacha game addiction? Gacha hellhole? Yeah. There's so many now. Okay, well he's back to moving, but he ain't walking though. It's Pokemon XTFT? Huh. Yet another Auro chess, huh? From MiHoYo, that's interesting. Wait, how come this is not working? first of all, the walking animation is not looping. Yo, Ryan. Doing good, man. What about you? What am I looking at? It is very, very reminiscent of Pokemon. It has like those colors. Okay, but God, just increase the movement speed, I beg of you. This shit moves so slowly, it's insane. Right, like, actually, like, all the animations are so slow. I hate that. Okay. But how come you say TFT though? Yeah, but it's not about that. It's not about the fact that they're walking. It's about them moving up the bench. Okay, when they stand up, that was slow as fuck. When he was gliding, slow as fuck. You know, those things. The walking being slow, it's fine. Okay. First MiHoYo game that allows you to customize your character, as far as I'm concerned. Bro, is that... Oh my god, it's Australian Scummoner. Look, Scummoner, it's you. That has to be coffee. Just put coffee and that's you. Oh, there are minigames like this as well, okay. It's like a Mario Kart wannabe. Uma Musume. Okay, well. Okay. It has destructible environments. Amazing. Okay, yeah, it feels like a game that's gonna have like shit ton of minigames, huh? Yo, Ali, hello. How is it going? Oh, so in order to capture them, you play TFT. I see. I'm doing good, Ali. We're looking at this new MiHoYo game that's about to come out. I love TFT, I hate TFT. I find it so boring. Yeah, it is very cutesy because it's like the audience for this game is like Pokemon fans who like TFT. Literally. So me. Yeah, actually, yeah. TFT. Teamfight Tactics. The Auto Chess game developed by Riot Games, which was copied from the Auto Chess, the Dota Auto Chess. Okay. Why did this not work? Can someone tell me why this did not work? It didn't work, and I need to blame someone. Like, whose fault it was? Like, who messed with my code? Like, I know someone's just cheating. Like, I just got here, That makes you the most suspicious one. Everything was working fine until you got here, Ali, so... What? Why is it still... That makes no sense! Sorry? So you admit to your wrongdoings? Who you are? Wait, did I misspell something? Oh, I know what the issue is. I know what the issue is. Ah, this bullshit racing. Goodbye, heart is. I found the issue, guys. The issue is that I need to do things. I need to be. I need to not be stupid. Basically. Like, if I wasn't stupid, everything will be fine. Okay, Ali, you're innocent for once. Like, it wasn't your fault. Like, I forgive you. Okay. Oh, but the animation is not looping. There is always something else. There is always something else. Oh no, the animation is set to loop. Ah, but this is not the right animation. Ah, there you go. Because all of this should go to loop, so I'm gonna check them all. Okay. Let's see. Oh my god, look at him. He's moving. He's walking, guys. Look at him go. Isn't that beautiful? It's amazing. Okay, well. One thing, I feel like he's so small for some reason. I kinda wanna make him bigger. It's slightly bigger. What am I? Another thing, he moves too fast compared to the animation. Let's see like this. Okay, that seems more natural, yeah. There is like less sliding on the floor. Okay, so I want to think a little bit of the behaviors now. The next thing I wanted to do is like whenever he notices the player, he will run towards the player. So we need to fix these values. We need to change the aggro radius and the vision rate. That way he should be trying to kill me, in theory. Okay, well, okay, he's following me now. Okay, now. Let us go to the chase state. And on the chase state, let us do the following. Once we enter the chase state, we're gonna set up is running to true. And once we get out of chase, is run equal to false. Just animation wise, let's see. I need to change the code so it also changes the speed, but for now, let's just work with animations. Okay, so he sees me, right? No? Bro, are you blind? Oh, okay, there you go. He's finally not blind. And yeah, that's working as intended. Yeah. He's fine. He's fine. That is totally normal behavior to have. What in there? Okay, but what's the issue though? Why are you doing that? Like, my guess is that he's changing too fast? Estates too fast? There's only one way to see that. That's by debugging the state machine. Where's the debug manager? Make this true. I think the debug manager was broken, but we shall see. Okay, but like, bro, stop being blind. Okay, you see me now. When it goes back to patrolling, the transition must be wrong. And when I go from run to walk, and from walk to run, oh, I'm such a dumbass. Of course. Well. Okay. Now he's chasing me. Now he goes back to patrolling. Now he's chasing me. Now the chase obviously looks terrible, but... Elvin, hello! How are you? How is life treating you? I'm gonna make a 3.5 running speed. You're good? Oh, that's great to hear, great to hear, great to hear. Let's see, if it's not running, we're gonna do this. And if it's running, we're gonna do that. I wonder if this is the only place I need to change this. I think so. I think so. But I need to do this like now on the chase state. When I move to target, I need to say through here to indicate that I'm running. Let's see. He sees me? Oh yeah, he moves faster. Oh my god, we're so good at coding, aren't we? Isn't that just amazing? Okay, he's faster than me. I cannot run away. This is not fair. Wait, no, leave me alone, bro. Shit, like, leave me alone. Okay, 3.5 might be a little bit too much. Maybe 3. Okay. Oh. It's chasing me. He's lower than me and he goes back to patrolling and he goes back to his normal speed. Now let's see if this is also working. In theory he shouldn't see me here. Yeah, the stealth is working. Okay. Now, I want to create a thing for the enemy. Because right now the enemy, whenever he finds an obstacle, right, he kind of like automatically changes direction. I wanted to make it so instead of automatically changing direction, he waits a little bit, like he enters idle for a certain time, and then he goes back to doing whatever the fuck he wants. How am I gonna do that though? We handle the movement here. We handle chasing the player in this case. We have the move to waypoint method. And then we call move enemy to target. Then this gets the corrected direction. And those... Okay. I guess what I could do is I can make a boolean here. And I can do a return through here, and what we can do and say is that if we ever receive an empty Actually, we need a variable for this. So can move to target. Okay, by default it's gonna be true. Can move to target is the return value that we're gonna have at the end. And what we're gonna do here is that we're gonna check if direction it's equal but vector 3.0. At that point, can move to target is gonna be false. That should give every single state enough information to do stuff whenever, like when we're patrolling, at least we can do something about it. Full target can move to target. So if we cannot move to target right now, we just look for waypoint. Okay, in theory, if I just compile this and play the game again, nothing should have changed. Everything should be working exactly as before. It goes to the waypoint, goes to the second one, hits the wall, and immediately finds the other waypoint. Okay. So that's something he does. Okay, oh god, thinking is hard. Okay, the idle state is something interesting. Yeah, the idle state is definitely something interesting to work in. Because I'm gonna have to pass info from other states to know what to do in idle. Which is the whole reason we have this dictionary here. So okay, wait a second. Why? How come I only have like an X state here? Oh, it's the change state method that I need to change. Okay. So we're gonna have to do a bunch of jumping around. But first of all, here we're gonna have to be enemy idle state. Okay, I have this set up like this, but I kinda don't like doing that. Repeating a bunch of code in different parts. Okay, I guess I can make this another function. Ah, man. We continue to add things, Oh, we did make a function for that. So, well, oh, but I never changed this. Okay. Yeah, that way. Oh, yeah, this is much cleaner. Much cleaner. Going back to us. We need to create a new dictionary of string, message to send, vital. Oh, I have, it has to be object here? Okay. That's so weird. What? You can do that with a dictionary? Huh. I think I prefer this way though. Okay, what kind of message do we want to send? Because I want to... Okay, I guess we're gonna say here, we're gonna have a message which is gonna be the previous state. We're gonna do add. Gonna be previous state. A previous state. The previous state is gonna be another string, which in this case is gonna be enemy patrolling state. Another message that I want to add is gonna be the idle time, which this is not gonna be a string, but it's gonna be a float for now. Let us just handle this through code for now. So that sends it here. Now what I can do on the idle, I can have two references. I can have a previous state and then I can have a float idle time. Okay, so when we enter on star, we need to check for these two things. Like if message dot contains key previous state, we're gonna be like previous state is gonna be equal to message this key as string with the cast. And then flow timer. In this case, if there is an idle time, we're gonna set the idle time equal to that, but this time is a float. How come this doesn't work? Oh, because it could be nullable. Oh. I mean, can I add float like this? Okay, yeah. Fine. And we set timer equal to 0. Timer plus equal delta if timer greater than idle time. A state machine dot enemy controller dot change state. What? Or a state machine change state? Oh, there you go. And in this case, it has to be previous state. Okay. And whenever we exit any states, we need to basically restart everything. It's gonna be this and this. Okay, let us see. Let us see if he does what I want him to do. And everything's broken. Let's go! Let's go, guys! Why is it broken? But even then... Wait, let me restart it. In the idle state. It's never changing back to patrolling. Which... did wrong? The name is not wrong. Oh, we don't need to call this anymore. It's true, it's only false when that's 0. Okay, let me check if the issue is like it's hitting this for some reason. Oh, but it shouldn't. I need to debug the collisions. Yeah, at the start he doesn't hit anything. So he shouldn't be getting vector 3-0 there anyways. I mean... enemy direction plus direction. Let's see. Like, he shouldn't be getting 0 at the start, but okay, well he is, but then he should be getting out. Let's see. Idle timer. Like this is like, it feels like he's always getting out of. Okay, yeah, so the timer is definitely working. The print, previous state, loss previous state, and we do the same for the idle time. Let's debug that and see what's wrong. Okay, no, so that seems to be working fine. And it's only calling it once. It's not like it's spamming that message. Right? Yeah, it's only being logged once. So what's the issue? Oh shit, I am so... I am something else, guys. I am genuinely stupid, huh? There you go. Okay, now he's working. Okay, but wait, he's... Okay, he's waiting. He's doing the wait thing. But he's not... The animations are wrong. Okay. Ah, because this is the wrong... Yeah, it's idle. Funny how easy it is to make some silly mistakes. Okay, now whenever he's patrolling, then he finds an obstacle, stands still for 1 second, then moves back. Okay. In this case, he goes to the... He enters a loop of always going to like the nearest waypoint. Which it is not necessarily a bad behavior, but if I do this, now he goes back. He's able to continue. And if he sees me... Oh, there you go. Oh yeah, he lets go of the chase very quickly. Anyway, we need to get rid of this log. Where was that? Patrolling? No, it was on the enemy controller, right? Yeah. I feel like he's a bit too slow though. I don't know. Maybe me and just being impatient with everything, but it feels too slow. when he's patrolling and stuff. Okay, I mean, it's a little bit slidey, but it's fine. Okay. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Yeah, the patrolling seems to be working fine. What I wonder is like if the idle time is fine. 1 second seems to be a little bit too short. Wait 2 seconds. We double it and see what's up. Let's see if it at least gives the idea that I had in mind. Okay, yeah. 2 seconds seems more natural, yeah. Okay, but I kinda don't like this behavior where he just moves back and forward between the wall and the closest waypoint that he finds. I feel like it needs to be more like he should go to like the next one, not to the like, actual closest. Wait, what did I used to do here? I used to force the next waypoint? Hmm. Well, I guess it's because this waypoint index gets reset, right? On start. Yeah. What if it doesn't get reset though? Yeah, what if I never reset this waypoint? If I don't do that. Wait. Let's see. Oh, I think I did not compile. So technically speaking, that script's still running. Oh, it still goes back. Okay, so wait, what's going on? He's looking for the next waypoint, then moving towards the next waypoint. When moving towards the next waypoint, I guess before changing state we can look for the next one. Say true. That way we update that waypoint, and then once it comes back, it will be going there. No. How come not? Oh, because I set West's closest waypoint to null here. I shouldn't. Yeah, I shouldn't. Let's see. Okay. Oh, now he's trying to go to the one on the right. He can't, so he tries to go this one. Okay. Since there are 2 checkpoints on the other side, he does this twice. Because he's moving towards on those all 4. Is this a fully okay behavior? I don't know. But we shall see. What if I do this? He moves to the next one if I do that. If I do that, he moves to the next one. Okay. Like, I'm already doing this every time. I just want to see how it behaves if I get rid of this, to be honest. I wonder. It's just... goes to this one, goes to this one. Goes there. Hit the wall. Okay, tries to always move there. I see. Like, in theory, the best behavior will be to do something like... Okay. I think it's fine the way it is right now. Especially because, like, if I set up things a little bit more properly, it shouldn't be an issue. Like, if I change things a little bit so it has less waypoints, I feel like it will feel more natural. Like here in the middle. Then you also here in the middle. Ah. Oh well, just put it here to be honest. So it hits the little trap. Because this waypoint system that I made, it's supposed to be like a initial setup for like objectives that the NPC wants to get, right? And goes there and goes here, cannot move, goes back to this objective. And he reaches it, so tries to go to the other one, he can't, so goes back. Okay, so in general, I like the behavior. We have to make it more complex though. And here, for example, we need to create a way for him to start attacking the player as well. Yeah, how come he's not attacking the player? I'm pretty sure like I set up the attacking state, no? I have, okay. Okay, state. If player is on aggro radius and if player is on attack radius. Oh, so it depends on what I set up there. So what did I set up? Oh yeah, the attack range is fucking depressing. No wonder. And me, I'm not there. Okay, let's see. If he chases me, and you chase me. Chase me! Okay, there you go. No. Okay, now he's in the attack state. Open the box. Okay, how are we gonna set up the attack state? The attack state is kinda complicated. There are many small things that you need to do. But for now, we can probably copy the things from idle. Because like when you're on, you definitely want to enter idle first. And me, I'm not there. Hey, I'm not me. Okay, when he enters this state, we basically go to the idle state, and then we start this timer, attack timer, and we have this method attack player. That basically just triggers on repeat. Okay. So inside here on attack player, we need to play the attack animation. And after the attack animation finishes, we have to choose oh damn, this is complicated. This is complicated. The way I set up this is weird. I don't want to set it up like this anymore. With a timer and a stop and... Because technically the best way to deal with this it will be with an animation event. Or with like a more precise timer. But I don't like that I have this component here. I have to remember it's there. Kinda all over the place. You know, let's do some ordering because my brain is kind of fried. Kind of fried. Let me just organize things a little bit here. Let's make this locomotion. Attack stats? Kinda. Ta-da-ta-dun, ta-da-ta-ta. Is that better? Oh yeah. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that order. At least this way I have like all the data separated. This is all depends on how I want to deal with the attacks. I could add like combos for them, or how much do I want to make them complex? Destruction. Oh yeah. Ta-da-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta. I could really make them complex, but man, it's rough. I need to design a little bit on the idea of this, but it's just normal attacks for the most part. Let's see. I mean, bull is attacking equal to false. We say is attacking equal to false. And I don't know what to do here. You can change state to the idle state? Nah. This part I do not like. Of going back to idle. But once we are here, okay. We can probably set an animation state, which is like is attacking equal to true. Okay. We can set it to false here. Once we exit. We can set it's attacking equal to true. And while he's attacking, oh boy. Damn, this is complicated. Think, Leo, think. Oh shit. Okay, so if the player is on the attack radius, and for example, and if we are already attacking, I guess we don't do anything. But if we are not attacking, or we could we could deal all of this through just with animations alone. Like I'm probably just, yeah, combos for NPCs is much easier, right? Like I only need to set the is attacking boolean, and while he's attacking, all I need to do is just check the condition when he doesn't need to attack anymore. And in this case, we could just go back to the chase state. But while we are attacking, we can just loop basically through attacks. And then what do we have attack wise? We have attack weapon. Okay, we only have one. We only have one attack. What? Okay, but it's already a whole combo. Okay. Yeah. Wait, so I can do this. I can do this, I can do this, I can do this. Oh my god, what was his name? Again? I always fucking forget. Elf Arden, okay. So this is AS. Attack. Weapon. I need to look up for more different kinds of attacks. That one, only having one attack is kind of meh. Up. The question is, do I make this looping? I think yeah, we can make it loop probably. And here on the animation, we're gonna have attack. The attack animation. Okay, the attack animation, how is it gonna work? It's gonna work from idle. This way, since we are basically, every time we get out of these ones, we go to idle. Or we can go from this to this. Or we can go from this to that. Or wait, this is kind of complicated. Because the best thing will be to make transitions for everything, right? But in this case, attack only deals with run. I feel like there is a good chance I'm just creating bugs here. Like I don't want to deal like with this with a transition because it's not gonna work. Like going from idle to attack, that's fine. Or actually, no, not even. Can I like duplicate you? Attack again. Because technically what I wanna do is I wanna loop through this too. Or not really, actually. I can probably just keep one. Yeah, I can probably keep one. But I can press limo travel. There are ways to just force it though. I wanna go from attack to idle on the condition that I'm not attacking anymore. But I don't know if you can do... I guess we have to do like stop attack, something like this. And here we do stop attack falls. Okay, I need to check if the if the animation tree has like a way to like travel to an animation from nowhere. Because like I can add animation library. I don't know. Okay, what are all my options with this class? Because I feel like I've done this before, but I don't remember how. I genuinely feel like I've done this before, man, but like holy shit, it's so difficult to remember. Let's see. Godot animation tree. Jump to animation or jump to state. I remember there was a way, man. There was, I know. Travel. Oh, there you go. Public void travel to animation state. Bring anime state. Okay. Okay, yeah, so you need to access the state machine like this, and then we travel to some state, which in this case is the anime state. Okay. And now okay, now on the attack state, all I need to do is state machine dot enemy controller dot travel to animation state, and it's just attack. Now he goes to this animation, and this animation is it's on loop. This error, no animation in cache, is triggering me so hard. How do I get rid of that? Oh, why do I have two animation trees? What the? Okay, yeah, that was it. That was why. Okay, let's see if all of our work was for something. Okay. And did I name it the wrong thing? It's attack. It probably has like a... Okay, so it's accessing this playback over here. Wait, let me see the example that they do. Oh no, it's an issue with the animation itself. Okay. Yeah, the animation itself is just broken. Okay. Okay, we can fix that. I probably didn't add the remap. Yeah. Rookie mistake, rookie mistake. Let's see. Yeah, probably have to just restart from scratch. Attack weapon delete. Libraries attack weapon delete. Okay, let's see. Attack weapon. You inherited. Oh no, but before doing that, so before doing that, we need to come here, set the bone mapping. Okay. Now new inherited. We save this. Now here, Elf Arden. We save this. And this is gonna be IS attack weapon. Okay, now if we go back to the enemy, we should be able to add this. There you go. Okay, but the animation is not set to loop. Okay. Okay, he's chasing me. Now he reaches me and tries to attack me. Keeps trying to attack me if I'm in range. And if I move now, it just keeps chasing me. Okay. The only issue is like... I feel like he shouldn't try to chase me immediately. I feel like there should be like at least a little bit of a delay before he goes back to chase state. Right now it's instant. Okay. Oh, suffers HP. Okay, well. You know what? I'm happy with this progress. We made the behavior of the enemy a little bit more complex and added a few, at least, you know, the basics to handle the graphics of everything. I think we can safely say that that's enough for today. It's good progress. Let me see if I can rate somebody today just because we can. Let's see. Do we have anyone from the same category that we can rate? Oh, you know what? We can rate Everkindle Studio. Heater. He's a great 3D modeler. Yeah, he's a cool guy. So I'm gonna be rating him, guys, and I'm gonna be going off for now. I have to go to the gym soon, so gotta get ready for that. But anyways, as always, greatly appreciate it. Thank you for everyone that came by, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye bye. Let's see. There you go, raid started.